Hi everybody, welcome to Kodak. My name is Shriyansh Goel, pursuing undergraduate course from Netaji Subhash University of Technology, and today is the 24th episode of our web development journey. In the previous video, we have talked about display property, and in this video, we are going to talk about combinators in CSS. So I am very much excited, and I hope that you are also excited for this session. So without wasting any time, let's get started. There are four types of combinators in CSS: descendant combinator, child combinator, next sibling combinator, and subsequent sibling combinators. So, without wasting any time, first study about descendant combinators. See, if I create here a div element and inside it I create a paragraph tag and a section tag, and inside the section tag I create a paragraph tag and a div tag, and I will also create a added footer tag here. Let's say I will create a footer tag here also. And if I write something here like I in the section tag I write hello, here I write bye, here I write Shriyansh, and here I write codex. Okay. Now if I want to provide styling to my div element, I can provide it using the CSS. I will just simply go to my style.css file, select my div element, and provide it the background color of light blue. And now if I preview this on my browser, you will see that my full div element is selected here with the light blue background. Okay. Now, but if I only want to styling to my paragraph tags, if I only want to provide styling to my paragraph tags in div, I can also provide so. I simply have to go to my style.css file, and in the div element I write here div, and then I will give a space here and write the paragraph tag. I will give a space and then write a paragraph tag. This space signifies that all the paragraph tags inside my div elements are selected here. All the paragraph tags inside div elements are selected here. Okay, now if I preview this, you will see that my paragraph tags have got background color light blue. Okay, and this is what descendant combinators is. Descendant combinator simply means that all the paragraph tags, all the text inside our main text should be selected that we want. For example, I wanted here only paragraph tag should be selected. Then all the paragraph tags will be selected. But see, I created a paragraph tag inside div tag, and inside div tag I also created a section tag inside which I created a paragraph tag. Then my paragraph tag inside a section tag will also be selected because it's inside the div. That is, all the paragraph tag inside my div will be selected. Okay, and even if I create a paragraph tag here also and write here footer, and now if I preview this, you will see that my paragraph tag is also selected here. That is, all the paragraph tag are selected inside the div element using the descendant combinators, and these descendant combinators are simply written with a simple space. See, the main element is a div, and the tag which we want to style is paragraph. Then we just simply give a one line space between them, a one line space between them. That's how descendant combinators works. Okay, let me comment out this and right here. Oh, descendant combinator. Okay, now what if I want only my height to be? That is my paragraph tag inside the div tag. That is a child of that is a paragraph tag which is my child of my div tag, which is the child of my div tag. Not the paragraph tag inside a section tag is not the child of div tag. Paragraph tag inside div element is the child. That is, this paragraph tag is the child of this, but this is not. Section tag is a child of div, but this paragraph tag is the child of this section tag. I hope you understand this. Okay, what if I want to provide styling only to my child of my main element, that is child of my div tag? I can also provide so with the help of child combinators. I will simply open my style.css file and select my div tag, and then I will create a plus sign, sorry, a arrow. Then I will write a arrow here and then paragraph tag. This arrow specifies that paragraph tag inside div tag. That is not all that. This means that the paragraph tag which is the child of my div tag should be selected only. Paragraph tag inside the div tag which is the child of my div tag should be selected only. And inside it I will provide my properties like background color to be gray, let's say. And now if I preview this, you will see that my paragraph tag which is the child of my div tag is only selected. Paragraph tag inside my section tag is not selected here. Okay. Child combinators are represented using the arrow sign. Okay. I hope you understand this. So let me comment out this and I will write here child combinators. Okay. Now see, we have learned about the childs. We have learned about how to provide styling to the specific child or to all the childs. But now, how to provide styling to the siblings? That is, if I create here, uh, let me say, if I create here a paragraph tag or any other tag you want, and write here, hi, my name is Shriyansh. Let me correct out the spelling. And if I create here a section tag and write hello Shriyansh, and then I create a paragraph tag again and write here I am fine, how are you? Now what if I want to provide styling to all the siblings, to all the paragraph siblings of my div tag, to all the paragraph siblings of my div tag? See, I can simply provide it using the next to the subsequent sibling property. See, if I write here div and to select its paragraph sibling, I have to create a tilt sign here. I have to create a tilt sign here, and then I have to write my paragraph tag and then curly braces, and inside the curly braces I will write my property. I will write here for example color yellow, and now if I preview this, you will see that paragraph tag inside my div tag are paragraph tag which are all the paragraph tag which are the sibling of my div tag are selected here. All the paragraph tags which are the sibling of my div tag are selected here. Okay. And what if I want to provide styling to only this element? See, If I want to provide styling to all my paragraph tag which are the sibling of my div tag, we can use subsequent sibling combinators. This tilde sign represents the subsequent sibling combinators. Let me comment out this and write here subsequent sibling combinators. Okay. Now what if I want to provide styling to my next sibling? That is, as you can see, this paragraph tag is the next sibling of my div tag. What this paragraph tag is the next sibling of my div tag. Okay, but this paragraph tag is not the next sibling. This paragraph tag is after this. The paragraph tag which is first, I want to provide styling to only that. How can I provide it? I can provide it using next sibling combinators. See, I will simply come here and write first my div tag and then a plus sign and then a plus sign and write my paragraph tag, and inside the curly braces I will write a property like back uh, background color blue. And now if I preview this, you will see that my paragraph tag, which is the next sibling of my div tag, is selected, not the paragraph tag which is next to next. And what if I remove the section tag from here? Will my paragraph tag then will this paragraph tag will also be selected? Let's see. No, it's not selected because it's not the next sibling. My next sibling is this one. So this plus sign represents the next sibling combinator. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned, keep working hard, and I will see you next time.